Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to introduce you to the Dree Health Medium Clear Vinyl Medical Exam Gloves Pack of 100. These gloves are a must-have for anyone looking for extra strong disposable gloves that can handle a heavy workload. With a thickness of 4 mm and a weight of 5 grams, these gloves are designed to be rip and tear resistant, so you can trust them to protect your hands in any situation. Whether you're working in the kitchen, the lab, or anywhere in between, these gloves have got you covered. But that's not all, these gloves are also food safe, making them perfect for use in both home and commercial kitchens. They offer a superior grip and texture and can even be used with many touchscreen phones and devices. Plus, they are powder-free and latex-free, so you can use them with confidence, even if you have latex allergies. And the best part? These gloves are multi-use, making them perfect for home, office, or industrial use. Whether you need them for household cleaning, medical exams, janitorial work, painting, gardening, or food prep, these gloves have you covered. Not only are these gloves practical, but they are also sanitary. They are clear, have beaded cuffs, and are ambidextrous, making them ideal for keeping yourself safe and clean. Plus, they come in a pack of 100 and are available in a range of sizes, from small to X large. So, if you're looking for reliable, versatile, and sanitary gloves that can handle any task, look no further than the Dree Health Medium Clear Vinyl Medical Exam Gloves. Don't wait any longer, check out the link in the description to get your hands on a pack today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.